Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted spaces. I will be sharing with you two different solutions you can use to remove unwanted spaces. The first solution is the text to column. So the first thing you need to do is to select the data you're trying to fix. As you can see here, we have some unwanted spaces after slings. We have some unwanted spaces after crutchers. So I'll be selecting the data. I'll go to the data tab, text to column, select delimited, and then hit next. Select space and hit next, and then finish. As you can see, we have no unwanted spaces after slings or crutchers. And one thing you need to be aware of is that if there are two different words separated by a space, the second word would move to the other column or to the second column. Simply because they are separated by the space, the text to column will move the second word to the other column. You can avoid this problem by using the other solution, which is the trim function. The trim function helps you remove any spaces after unwanted spaces, of course, after or before the text. After or before the text. I have an example here where there are some spaces after lifts, before lifts. We have some spaces after crutchers, and we have this product self-care, two different words separated by a space. The trim function will take care of all of that. So enter equal, the trim function TRIM, and then you just select the cell with the product or the text you're trying to fix, copy the formula, and you're good to go. Nothing changed with self-care. All the spaces before and after the text have been removed with lifts. The spaces we have after crutchers have been removed as well. And all is good. So basically, I have two different solutions. It depends on the scenario, depends on the problem you're trying to solve. The text to column will help you remove any spaces, unwanted spaces after the text, whereas the trim function will help you remove any unwanted spaces before or after the text. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.